Hello everybody, today we're here with this gal right here. If she can sit. Bro, sit down. Okay, I got her to sit. Anyways, here's the Sin plush. I'm extremely late to review this actually, because this released months ago. But who cares? It's a plush. So let's just get to the review. No more talking. We're gonna start with the tag first. It's the usual Murder Drones tag. On the other side it says Sin, and then it has all these stuff. And Murder Drones, it tells you the rights. Then here's the price tag. I got this from GameStop, which I didn't know GameStop actually sold Murder Drones plushies. But it was there. I also saw Uzi, but I didn't get her. So, let's go with the face. She has very sharp teeth. Her smile, I love her smile. This is so cool. It has this, what I can see, this plushie has no printing, which is really cool. This is all embroidery. She has the eyebrows right here, which is really cool. They did not need to add this much detail. They added the X eyes. They added this to show the skin of Tessa. Right here, this is the back is basically the same. Yeah. Here's the side with the bow, which I really like this bow. It's right here, it's hard. I don't know what it's called, but it is hard. And this is just soft, very cuddly. The back of her head is like the same. Her hair, her nice hairstyle. And then the other side is the same. And so yeah. Oh, and it has the tongue, which Murder Drones tongue. It's very cool. I really love the detail they added to her hair. Okay. Now let's go to the body, which, wow. Okay. This is her dress. This is her dress from the back. She has the little opening in her chest saying 001 with the worker drone thing symbol, and red to represent Tessa's skin. That's really cool. I really like her dress. This is a really good dress. Yeah. On the back of her, she has her little tentacles, which are very long. Like, wait, let me go. Look, she can just wee. On the end, she has 3 of these. On the end, there's little spikes, which that's really cool detail. On her body, she has a bunch of little cuts to show, like Tessa right here. She has the drone skin. You can see that right there, and the drone skin right here. On the hands, she has more of the blood. She has the drone hand. And right here, which is really cool, it's Tessa's hand just hanging out there, which they did not have to add that, but that's really cool. So it's the drone hand and then Tessa's hand. Her legs also have a bunch of cuts on them to show Tessa. The shoes are just normal shoes, not too special. Yeah, and then on the back you can see there's better. So that's really cool. Yeah, and that's the Tessa. I mean, not Tessa. Oh my god. Sin plush. Yeah, okay. Sinessa plush. Not really technically Sin. Sinessa plush. But yeah, she's really cool. Very high quality. And if you compare her to the Kane plush, which I have right here. If you compare it to the Kane plush, they're the same size. I feel like all the, what is it called? All the Glitch plushies are the same size. They're really big. They're really soft, too. All of the Glitch plushies are soft. Yeah. And she's just really high quality. Looks really cool. I highly recommend getting this. But, yeah. You can see this. I found this at GameStop, but it's also on the website. So, that's really cool. And, yeah. she looks really cool. I really like all her detail. I highly recommend getting her because for this amount of money, this is very high quality, and it's really cool. Like I said, highly recommend it. If you have enough money and you want to get it because you'll definitely have no regrets. Okay, but you gotta be careful because she'll probably eat you in your sleep, which I don't know. I'm scared about. So yeah, let me just. Okay. So yeah, that's the Sin Nessa review. Well, Sin, as it says on the tag. And hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful day. Goodbye.